Sum number 4. Prove that j of 5 by 2 of x, that is equal to under root of 2 by pi x multiplies to 3 minus x square divided by x square into sin x minus 3 by x into cos x. Now again I will be using, so obviously you might be thinking, how can you remember this? You need to remember this both, or else you need to prove this. So obviously proving us not makes that much sensible. So just remember this, that is j half x is under root 2 by pi x sin x and j minus half x is cos x. So that's not that much difficult to remember. So again, to get 5 by 2, I start with my one of the property. So I write a property here, that is 2n by x j n of x, that is equal to jn plus 1 of x plus jn minus 1 of x. So let's substitute n. So here I say let n is 3 by 2. So here it will be 3 by 2. 2 cancels. 3 by x j 3 by 2 of x, that is equal to j 5 by 2 of x plus 3 by 2 minus 1 gives me j half of x. So now we already have answer for 3 by 2 also, which I had proved here. So I'll be using this. So what I want j 5 by 2 of x, which we can write as 3 by x j 3 by 2 of x minus j half of x. So now let's substitute here. So I get j 5 by 2 of x, that is equal to 3 by x multiplies to value of j 3 by 2 by x. So value of that is under root 2 by pi x multiplies to sin x by x minus cos x. And further, the next is minus j half of x, so that is under root 2 by pi x into sin x. So that's easy. From here what we can take common, that is under root 2 by pi x I can take common, and further I can write here 3 sin x divided by x square minus 3 cos x divided by x, and the last term is minus sin x. So which we can say 2 by pi x, this comes to be this and this. So I can write here 3 sin x, x square multiplies here, so 3 minus x square divided by x square multiplies to sin x minus 3 by x cos x. So that's my answer of j 5 by 2 of x. Let's start with the next sum. Fifth, prove that j 4 of x, that is equal to 48 divided by x cube minus 8 by x multiplies to j1 of x plus 1 minus 24 by x square multiplies to j0 of x. Now for proving this, again I will be using a property. So let's write a property, that is 2n divided by x jn of x, that is equal to jn plus 1 of x plus jn minus 1 of x. So let's substitute value of n. Before that I can write this as jn plus 1 of x, that is equal to 2n divided by x jn of x minus jn minus 1 of x. So I say let n is equal to 1. So if I put 1, this becomes j2 of x, that is equal to n is 1, so this becomes 2 by x j1 of x minus 1, so this gives me j0 of x. I put let n equal to 2, so this gives me j3 of x that is equal to, so 2 becomes 4 by x, and here j2 of x minus this becomes 2 minus 1 j1 of x. So now further, by using this 2, I got j3 of x is this, where j2 already I got it here, so let's substitute this j2 here. So I get 4 by x, j2 of x is 2 by x j1 of x minus j0 of x and minus j1 of x. So which we get further as 8 by x square j1 of x minus 4 by x j0 of x minus j1 of x.